So I'm going to give you 3 reasons as to why you should sell in a down market. So the first reason is whenever you're considering selling your home and there's a run up on the market, you want to sell as close to that peak as possible. Now, our market's changed and we saw the peak come and go 6 months ago, but that doesn't mean we've reached the bottom, and it could be years before we get back to that pricing. So do yourself a favor and try to sell as close to the peak as possible. Second reason, are you already ahead? I talk to sellers every day, and some of them in today's market say, oh my gosh, my house was worth this 6 months ago, but it's come down so much money and we want to wait for it to come back. And then I'll ask them, when did you buy this property? 10, 15 years ago. What did you pay for it? And many times when I run the math with them, they realize, wow, I'm already really ahead of the game. I've already made a ton of money. I might even have tax exposure that I wasn't aware of. And so what I'm saying there is focus on, are you already ahead? Don't focus on what you missed 6 months ago. The next reason is consider how this is going to change your life and what's the next chapter in your life. Sometimes I have people who tell me they're going to sell their home because they're going to move to a new city and start a new life. I have other people who say they're going to sell their home and they're going to travel the country for a while. Or they say they're going to sell their home and use the proceeds for something else that they want to do. Don't let the market and looking back 6 months and miss the fact that you missed the peak affect your life and moving forward with your life. So consider, how is your life going to change? What's that next chapter? How much are you going to enjoy it? So those are 3 good reasons to sell in a down market. Be sure to check out our reasons in regards to why to not sell in a down market.